Good morning, friends. Welcome to day 51 of our daily activity challenge. My name is Priyanka and I'm from the Green Prescription team at Sport Auckland. Today I'm going to be doing quick 4 stretches to reduce back pain and strengthen those back muscles with regular practice in the long run. Alright, so the first stretch, it's called the Camel Straight. So I'm going to be showing you the simplest beginner's version. For this, you're going to be kneeling down on the mat. Make sure you have hip width distance between your knees and your toes pressed on the mat, heels pointing up, and place your hands on the lower back. Now, as you inhale, you want to slightly push your pelvis out and bend back, look up to the ceiling. You want to hold the stretch for about 15 to 20 seconds. Just make sure you're breathing normally while you're holding the stretch. And you feel a really good stretch in your lower back. As you exhale, come back to the starting point. So this is the beginner's version. Let's go to the intermediate one. We're going to sit down on your heels and we're going to do half camel because we're going to use one arm at a time. Now reaching your heel with one hand, 4 fingers on the outside, thumb on the inside, just hold on to your heel like this. And now with your other hand, you're going to inhale again. As you inhale, pushing out your pelvis and your tailbone and lifting the chest and bend back. You can look all the way back and drop the head if you're comfortable. If not, just look up to the ceiling. Look at the fingers, hold the stretch for about 15 to 20 seconds. Keep breathing normally. And come back down as you exhale. Same thing on the other side. Inhale. You can feel that nice stretch. Hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. And exhale as you come back down. Now for the full camel, you want to be holding on with both your hands, holding on to your heels, and as you inhale, push out your pelvis, lift your chest. This one, you will feel a really good stretch in your arms, shoulders, your pelvis, your thighs, pretty much your whole body, and you feel that elongation of the spine. Again, you want to be breathing normally, holding the stretch for about 30 seconds. And as you exhale, come back down. The next one, lie down on your tummy, elbows on the ground, join your palms together at the wrist, making a cup or a C, and then rest your chin in your palms and just let the palms take the weight off your head. And this is a relaxing position, so I just wanted to show you the front view, but this is how it actually looks like on the side. Okay, so this is your Crocodile Pose, and it is very similar. So it symbolizes, or it actually mimics, say for example a crocodile relaxing in the water and trying to keep its neck above the water level. So in this position, you want to be joining your feet together and then bending your knees and try to bring your heels as close to your glutes as possible and hold a stretch for about 30 seconds or even longer if you feel comfortable. Now because you're relaxing your head into your palms, it's a very relaxing position. You can actually spend several minutes in this position as well. And exhaling, come back down. What you can also do is you can also alternately bend your legs and again trying to bring your heels as close to your glutes as possible. So a really relaxing stretch while you're watching TV. You can actually do this for about 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, the next one is called the cobra. So we're going to be doing the baby cobra first. Just place your forehead, relax, and placing your arms to the side of your chest, making sure your elbows are tucked into your ribs. And now as you inhale, push through your arms and then lift your head and your chest. And you want to be looking forward or even to the ground just to reduce any strain on your neck. And hold this about for 15 seconds because it's the beginner's version, and as you exhale, you want to come back down. Now the full version of the cobra is where you further extend or straighten your arms, but you don't want to lock your elbow. So pushing down through your hands, lift your head and your chest, making sure that your pelvis, your thighs, and your feet are nicely anchored onto the ground. Shoulders rolled back and down, away from your ears. And you want to hold this position again for about 15 to 20 seconds. As you exhale, slowly come back down. So that's your cobra. And because we have done 3 backward bends, it's always good to finish off with a forward bend. And the forward bend is the child pose or the child stretch. So for this one, you're going to be again sitting down on your heels, but this time you want to have your knees more than hip width distance apart, your toes together. So bring your toes together and your feet joined at your toes. And now you want to be inhaling, and as you exhale, walk your hands down and bend forward. Place your head, your forehead on the ground, and reach with your fingers and your arms. Now you want to try and keep your hips connected to your heels as much as possible, and let the belly relax on the thighs. Hold the stretch again with normal breathing for about 30 to 60 seconds. Again, this is a very relaxing position, and what it does, it counterbalances all the backward bend stretches that we have done. Now, slowly exhaling, you want to come back up. Awesome. So that was our back stretch routine. Hope you enjoyed the video. And just before I go, I just want to remind you about our wellness goal for this week, which is self-care. So hope you all are looking after yourselves, doing little things that make you feel relaxed. And so the tip of today is, again, tip of the day is the same as yesterday, which is to try a meditation exercise or any activity, relaxation activity that makes you feel relaxed. And that could be, a guided meditation routine. So I've just added a link. So check out the link for the guided meditation, or you can have a relaxing bath, or listening to some soothing music, reading a book, going out for a walk, pretty much anything that makes you feel relaxed. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you again next week. Ka kite.